What is the purpose of a slow initial run into the well after rig up? Slow entry helps identify early obstructions and ensures proper alignment. Which step is required before equalizing pressure across a downhole tool? Proper positioning prevents unintended movement during equalization. What is the main reason for performing a drift run before installing equipment? Drift runs verify clearance for subsequent tools. Which operational signal may indicate successful latch engagement? Proper latch engagement produces characteristic tension response. Why is controlled jarring recommended during fishing operations? Excessive impact can damage equipment or well components. What must be confirmed before closing the lubricator valve during operations? Tools must be safely positioned to avoid damage when closing valves. Which step is performed immediately after setting a downhole plug? Verification ensures correct installation before retrieval. Why should operators avoid sudden line acceleration during pulling? Sudden acceleration can exceed safe line limits. What is the main purpose of monitoring line tension during jar activation? Tension changes indicate jar operation and effectiveness. Which action should be taken if abnormal resistance is detected while running in hole? Immediate investigation prevents equipment damage. Why is tool function tested after assembling the tool string? Pre-job tests ensure tools work correctly. Which procedure confirms correct sleeve shift position after operation? Indicators confirm successful shifting operation. What is the primary purpose of recording running speeds in job reports? Speed data helps refine procedures and avoid problems. Why should tension be reduced before opening lubricator after retrieval? Controlled tension prevents uncontrolled line motion. Which operational check is required before removing pressure control equipment? Equipment removal requires safe pressure conditions. What is the purpose of tagging top of a plug after installation? Tagging verifies installation accuracy. Which condition requires slowing tool descent immediately? Controlled approach prevents overshoot or damage. Why is communication maintained continuously between operator and supervisor? Clear communication improves safety and operational efficiency. What is done after retrieving memory gauges to access recorded data? Data analysis provides insight into downhole conditions. Which action is taken if tool fails to latch during retrieval attempt? Proper repositioning may allow correct engagement. What is the main purpose of documenting jar counts during operations? Recording jar usage helps monitor equipment condition. Why is gradual tension increase recommended before pulling a stuck tool? Gradual force prevents sudden overload or line failure. Which operational step follows completion of slickline intervention? Final inspection ensures safe completion and equipment integrity. What is the main reason to maintain detailed depth records during operation? Accurate depth records improve operational accuracy. Which final action is performed before demobilizing slickline unit? Proper shutdown procedures ensure safe job closure.